Marine biogeochemical cycle. The hydrologic cycle. The hydrologic cycle is known as the water cycle. The most abundant compound in all living organisms is water. Water vapor is carried north and south from the equator and from west to east within each hemisphere. As the air masses rise and cool, the water falls to the earth as precipitation. Precipitation that falls in and collects in many rivers and streams that carry water back to the sea. Carbon cycle. Carbon cycle. Compounds containing the element carbon are the essential component of all living organisms. Carbon makes up the backbone of carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids, the basic molecule of life. Living organisms produce carbon dioxide when they respire. When an organism dies, a variety of decaying organisms break down the tissue, and major product of this process is carbon dioxide. Marine produces the carbon dioxide in photosynthesis to make carbohydrates. Nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle. Producers such as plants, seaweed, and phytoplankton require nitrogen fertilizer for protein synthesis and thus for proper growth and reproduction. Nitrogen they need is usually found in many simple stuff such as ammonia, nitrates, and nitrates. The atmosphere consists of almost 79% of nitrogen and represents a major reservoir for this critical nutrient. Runoff from the land may contain nitrogen from fertilizers, sewage, dead plants and animals, as well as animal waste. Upwelling brings nitrates into the photonic zone. The major nitrogen fixing organisms in the marine environment are the cyanobacteria.